Good morning. Here we go to go look at sunrise. Good morning.
But you can climb up to the top there. Yep.
Rồi nè, tối nè. Hello Mia. Good morning. Hello blah mama.
Yeah, but and
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Gió ơi xì nha. Sini pandai lo. Bây tao mua lu hút sen à. Mặt đẹp. Mình nói hạt sen. Nhớ xong. Nhớ xong miệng à. Nó phải gì rồi? Sao cắt trong? Hả? I know. Nó mà cái từ trong cửa. I know. Phải mua hạt sen, phải mua nó breakfast. Phải mua sa xếp cá nữa, ya cá chê, phải mà cá tôi nói plea. Thì cũng mua sắm buffet. Oh. They beat us, sis. Hi. Hello too. Hello.
the same shirt but multiple of them.
No, it's okay. Hello, girl. I love your hat. Wow. Good morning. I know. Whoa. It's all up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yep. Wow. Good morning. That's funny. Nhớ rằng nè. Wow. Mình đào chén hình là.
Oh, say thank you.
That's loaded BLT.
Morning cho người kia. Morning. Hello. Cứ đông xe của tao hay nhớ trong trong nữa. Nhớ trong nhà cầu mong chiêu ý là được sao? Ôi, cho mong chiêu ý.
nó bị phủ vào nữa bây giờ nó.
Now I have one. Bless my soul. Chắc là như mua around sao?
Có đâu là chắc đó rồi.
Nó có đi thẻ có bảo là có wristband nè. Cảm ơn cha. Ôi dồi. Mình tập hot. Food đó là chỉ phải free gì trong free spot nha.
Khởi trong một nơi, những cái trò xưa.
China. Look.
1, 2, 3. Cheers. Cute, okay.
It's like Coco.
Cái đâu nè. Cái tôi sao cả tư hả?
Cozumel, Mexico.
Oh, what are y'all doing here?
We're just shopping, looking around.
Oh, that's fun. Look at all those fans. You have so many fans. Yeah. Nhớ trong mi à? Có tôi đã chị à? Đã chị. Oh. Sao? Learning theo. Don't go touch them. They're real people. Their eyes are moving. Wow, Ninoy! No?
Oh, even better.
Right there.
Oh, you want some Pepsi?
We should go
No.
see their snacks later.
Ôi.
Chị họ. Dạ, thì bảo
Yo,
đây
Pepsi.
That's gonna make us more dehydrated. Like, 做好多人不然你等于你喝 is more dehydrated. So you didn't know what. Well, you can.
Why is it not raining on us?
I don't know.
khăn mẹ. Này rồi, chị nên
You
같이
want to try
나오죠.
some Mexican? The tea? Yeah, they're only out of business. Oh, really? I know that. But, yeah, fish. Oh, I think they're fresh fish anymore. Done? Or you?
Nha xong, let's go see what our family's doing. Wait! Nhưng thầy ơi, đi tôi đã chín nó trên đi nhỏ. Tôi nhớ đâu chỉ lo. Nếu chỉ muốn chế nhỏ là nhà đi nhỏ nữa. Chế rau nữa Arsenal. Ô lo, ấy có chọt nữa lên từ nè.
You sugar vet now.
Đó là thế. Nên đó, ô lo. Dài, tôi mi ở tôi nói chẳng gì luôn luôn. Sao muốn chơi cái nữa chứ mà. Cái tôi hay gì nè.
Mắc khờ.
Rồi, coi, ô, cho tôi nói nó có cái xạ. Quay. I ain't got no money. No cash, no cash. Giờ cứ
Lúc tài chính ta cái đó tôi mua à.
nước áo mùa cái gì sai là nước áo mùa tà.
Cũng giống như đừng có tà mà.
Bớ.
You need to go get the bucket over there to here.
Yếu chỗ đi với chị nó cay nó thành nhà anh.
Go get the bucket over here.
So it's raining. nhớ chồng đi coi chưa? Peso, please. Wow. Có bao peso hả chị nào?
No, pesos.
Chị bao.
Chỉ cho peso.
Peso. Oh, maybe. Bên cá một biển gọt.
Em mua tao kiếm chia.
Oh, bên một tao kiểu gì lo. Có toa gì kì. Wow, nếu bắt tôi chỉnh đủ lo. Oh my god. I'm getting wet. My eyes are getting wet. Oh, these are so cute. Those hats.
The poster office.
Oh my gosh. Biết là tao kế bây giờ một xe thằng khổng. Hôm nay tiền mua cho. Hôm nay tiền mua chén đâu. Mua luôn này có đuồn thôi. Oh, that's cute. Ở cái mặt China có statue bé à? So we're walking towards that statue. I think it's like 1 inch right now. It's like 152 or 1252. I think 1252. We're gonna go take a photo right there and then we're gonna go back. Yeah. China biết tao giỏi rồi. Còn tiếc có biết tôi hiện. Good there. Oh, so hot. Okay, bây giờ mình go nữa. We're going back to the ship now. It is so hot. I think it's like 1, 2, 1-ish, 12:30. No, 12:15. So sunny, but we have to walk all the way back to the ship. Oh, I'm not excited for that, but it's okay. We'll make it. Let's see how this goes. Mà lúc chiều lúa thâu từ thiên rồng vì có ý linh. Hello. Vì có ý linh sự linh nu. Girl, we should take our music video here. Isla. Mà bài đó. We're finally going on the skywalk. Oh, it is slippery. Careful. There's water. Girl, I ain't going to. Girl, why would you run? You not help me get up? You just leave me there. 看 it's on trail. Yeah, I agree. Why did they close it over the ocean though? Okay. Oh, that's a lot of water. So we're gonna walk around first. We're going to the local, get some food for lunch. Sao ta tiền lỡ? Sao ta tiền? Sao ta về sau ta kia sao mà non đấy à? Yeah. Agreed. I know. Oh yo, my camera.
Yeah.
But she didn't mind it.
Yeah.
Oh, why did they? Oh. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just going forward now.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Sorry means you're at fault.
Okay, I'm not sorry then. Oh, I take it back.
But you know, you're all dumb. They never let us get this close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We feel like we're holding the floor. We stay down.
This is wild.
Hey, careful here, photo.
Cái tên này nó tẩu hơn nó.
Sorry, you tripping, okay?
Oh my gosh. You ain't getting over him. You almost let your baby keep rolling.
What?
Nothing.
Wow. I see a fish.
Okay, bây giờ là cái bây giờ nó the local. I was like, what is it? Nè. Nó yo cái một lời. Cái gì? Oh, xin đó.
You keep it touch indulge and then the color.
Wow.
Ooh.
Nhìn nó chỉ.
I think we get the
Ai. Good job.
Oh, có cái nhà để đi lo. Let's give her
Wow, cái này chỉ cá ở luôn à.
no, không cái nè.
No, no, no.
Look at the Goli earlier, like her Goli. That's just a sweet chili wing. Look at these cute little
Wow.
ones. This is the first time without
Hey,
all
good
two
cool,
không tí
huh?
nè. Usually without ít two.
How about they mop up?
Wow, girl, you're lucky today.
Yep, today's my
Thế giờ cô có khá là cả.
yeah.
I mean, leave the hotel.
Lấy
Ô, có to.
1, 2, 2. Cô nói tôi thế. Oh, Cassia, what are you eating? Oh, so sweet.
I want some ranch.
Cassia, cái nào chị à?
No, ranch.
You get a little rice in there too, sister.
Nó.
Ok,
Okay.
mình mốt con.
Xà tao. Couple xà tao. One's probably got shit.
Like beans, come on.
Chana Goldberg là nó
Walnut. No. Wrangler burger.
Wrangler, yeah.
What's that mean? Like the jean Wrangler?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
A little bit of denim in there.
That's a good one. Doink. We have to use our inside voice, okay?
Call the security. Call the security.
Oh, security.
I will tell them the baby's screaming.
Uh-oh. What are we gonna say? Say sorry. Sorry.
Give me your hands now. I'll put handcuff on you.
Uh-oh. Sticky hands.
She will keep grabbing the chicken with the ranch
Thank
dressing
you.
on.
Oh, she
You like
loves
the dressing?
Yeah. She just wants to drink that.
She wanna grow so fast. See, you become quiet again. When I get back, you become quiet again.
See, like take a.
Yeah. No, 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 no.
Yeah, they say no, no.
Good shit. Dinner.
À,真的。Nó cũng tay kia nè.
Good thing.
Bob, look, pinuha mo
What happened to one of your wings?
My daughter.
Daddy T.
Oh. Now you gotta order another one to get 6 wings again.
No, that's okay.
Good son, no.
Shy.
No, got chow.
Blue shy.
Nói tên gì?
Daddy
Con nó baka kasi.
T.
Cái chuyện này ác ý.
Daddy T. Daddy T.
Nó rất là bán nó. Chào lên nó.
Nó con.
Để xin nó.
Nó có thịt cay, cái xin nó có thịt cay.
Hot pepper.
Cái dỗ cái ổ rổ.
Nên muốn đi ra rồi từ hả?
Cái chắc là nó chơi cái thứ là bự. Là bên hình bự. Probably not. I don't know. I don't know yet.
Mama. Nhớ cho mình xài. Lúc nào có bơi trà sữa. Cái gì ạ? Mama come back. Lúc nào có bơi trà sữa. Dada come back. Do you want to say Nino? Okay. Let's go.
That's what happens when you have a child. What?
How do I do this cool ass now?
Just pull it. Slip knot.
Kasia, are you ready to go eat, Mama?
Let's go.
Baby, okay. Wow, nó lấy cái shit thay được tiền Starbucks. Okay, let's go. It is 6:10 right now. We're going to Hudson's for dinner. I like pushing her.
Oh, okay.
Ơi, bà Lô. Okay, bây giờ cho anh Hudson là in trong mình gọi là spa.
The new song. Tào lao. Cái không?
Okay, cho tôi đã có lọ cho nên nó chắc. Cái spa ba gì bên mà hay tới biết celebrating so. I think for me, I might get the Italian meat beef balls. And I might get this chicken and seafood paella.
Yeah. Otherwise, we also have GPS.
Wow. So cool. Ito na siya. Ini to yo China.
Like, I don't know what to order actually.
Uh,
I ordered cheese ravioli. I'm really excited for that. And then I also ordered
oh,
oh yes.
thank you.
There was something else I ordered. I forgot.
Siya.
But then I also ordered lamb shank.
Lamb, you a chi eater? Wait,
Yeah.
you a ya eater?
Yes, I am.
Okay, that'll be yummy. Cashier, what you order?
Chicken?
Chicken.
Some pop pop.
Okay, Yiping, what'd you order?
I ordered some fish. Some white fish.
Mm-hmm.
And what else? A fruit plate.
Ooh, yummy, yummy. And we also got some bread on the side. Ooh.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yes. With some butter.
Yeah, that's good.
I ordered meatballs and I also ordered this chicken and seafood paella. So we'll see how that tastes. Really? I can just share with you. Yeah. Ooh, coconut what?
Coconut shrimp.
She ordered coconut shrimp. She's fancy.
I did you.
Cause I like meatballs better.
For appetizing? I didn't see meatballs.
Oh, it's like the third thing. It's like yeah. Yeah, I'm excited though.
Did you just pretend to eat the crayon?
Oh, she's cutting
trying
it.
to cut it.
No can shop. No can Oh, janji ka olo.
I am a little confused after I feel bad.
That one's yours. This one's also yours. This one's mine.
Because we gave one to Cashier. Everyone's drink
I got
in
ravioli.
the right hand.
I got ravioli, cheese ravioli, and coconut shrimp right here.
Oh, so good.
Just drumming.
Guess she got chicken tenders and fries.
What barbecue sauce?
Throat planner.
She's a big girl, so she eats her sauce now.
Oh, something? No.
You want what?
Use a talking straw.
You want to know?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try. Maybe she'll help.
Good.
Zakasha pla.
And I got fruit.
Want me to take out?
Đó. What the no cũng wash pa kana.
Let's see it. Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Good, you know,
Meatball.
you know, Brazil. They're not shaped. Fucker. But you know, okay?
It's so good. 10 out of 10.
Are you lying?
I'm for real, it's good.
Really?
I'm just kidding, it's okay.
What?
It's like a 6 out of 10. Tastes like a meatball.
I was gonna get that.
You could try it.
I'll try it, yeah.
It just tastes like a soft meatball.
Okay.
Not too hard, not too
Coconut shrimp or ravioli?
not too soft.
Y'all.
Good shot this baka.
I love
Baka.
It's a meatball.
it's a
Yep.
meatball.
But it's homemade. It doesn't taste processed.
Yeah. Baka.
It's okay.
Oh, it looks so cheesy and so yellowy.
Does it look cheesy?
It looks kind of processed.
It kind of tastes processed.
Straight from the can.
Yeah. Oh,
But yeah, it's good.
is that kale?
I don't know what this is.
Spinach maybe? Because the shell coconut shrimp be shy on. Nom.
Pause it for a bit.
Look at the shit.
It's
It's so
fancy. He cuts
good.
his grapes into quarters before he eats them.
You don't skin your grapes?
No, I don't. I love the skin.
You know there's allergic to grape skin.
Yeah. She told me. That's why I prepared for her every time like that.
Oh, you're so sweet. Whoa, con nó cao, look, không mua. Good. Wow. Good. Oh my god, she said it's good. Rate it 1 out of 10.
I would say an 8 or 9.
That's pretty high. Oh my
It is good.
gosh.
Really?
I'll try a little.
It's good. The sauce too sweet.
Cassia, con nó cao luôn, con nói China. Grape. Oh yeah, girl, you just stuff in your mouth.
This is potato.
We need to fight the buffet, huh?
I had they put
Yeah.
a third of a potato here.
Oh my gosh, sis. Con nó tụi làm lo được tiền. How much does it cost you?
It's free.
It's free? Girl, you know, if you could get like 5 of these and bring them off ship, you could sell it for so much.
You want me to try to take it off ship?
Girl, của mình nhớ chỉ có một chỗ của sao. Smart idea, right? How's your fish, Yiping?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good. Yeah, I'm not a huge fish fan, so I couldn't really tell the difference. But I think it's pretty good.
That's good.
Tastes the same.
Wow. This is my seafood chicken, seafood paella. And there's a little octopus in there too.
Yeah, you want the fish?
There's a little,
Yeah, you can.
what are these called? But let me, oysters? Not oysters. I don't remember what they're called. I'll get them out of their shells and record again. What's that long piece of poop?
That's a chocolate shaving. This is chocolate. Wait.
God, yo,
Chocolate eclairs.
thank you,
Oh,
huh?
this is a chocolate cake. Mexican chocolate cake.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, that fruit plate looks beautiful.
Okay.
โอเคเป็นหมอตาไปเลย
Can you walk?
Oh, you need bite to
Show me Akashia. Volker, you got a cute necklace. Who got it for you? Your uncles did? They're so sweet. They're probably so handsome and so kind and probably the best humans in the world. Oh. Oh, baby Kasia. Baby Katia. Where's the baby? Where? Hello. 怎样？
นี่เหรอ นี่ไปแล้วมั้งให้เนี่ย And that's his fucking move, guys. That's his move to get a guy. He slides his plate to them.
ถ้าเราไปดาวกูนี่พวกกูรู้แตกก่อน
You slide. You did this. You could be like, oh, excuse me.
Stop. He just needs to walk over here. Look at the potato day. Good side, good stuff. Trái bên này sai là wow, nó sao là really hay quá hơn lười.
Wow, he's smooth like butter.
Food like butter like BTS. Thank you. Thì phần thứ là chuẩn bị chơi giải là tham mua. Cái gì quên thôi.
นี่ไปแล้ว
Mình mua cha.
นี่รอ
Yeah, thank you. Okay, đâu rồi?
Cái chạy.
Anh cho nợ thác của tay phải. Bức tay của bus lại để chuyển ca. Cứ tôn đến chân ca đấy. That's how you do it. Okay, bro. Baby, Kasia. Hello.
Có tin nhục nó ta nè.
미아 미아. 녀정 hello. Hi.
That's okay.
Kenapa Pero muna. Pemuchela na. Pela muna. Chijiro na. Bye. Over here.
Oh, she can see it.
It is now 10:02.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hello, baby.
Do you have to go all the way to the end?
Yeah. Hello, baby.
Hi. Let's go. Quiet. Come on.
Baby, boo.
Quiet. Bye. Okay.
You got it? Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Inside voices, their inside voice. The fast yells on the loud yells.
살은 눈이 열렸나 딱히 눈도 치차